C6 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2005 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Removable roof panel car. Underneath the hood, LS2 6-liter V8, 400 horsepower. Of course, 05. First year of the C6s. 6-liter is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. I'll let you get a good look at this nose cone here. A little over 31,000 miles in this car. So not many miles put on it each year. And it shows extremely clean. Wait till you see the underside pics. I'll tell you where to check those out in a little bit. I mean, yeah, it's black. You're going to be able to see a few imperfections here and there. Little touch up, little spots where maybe it had a little rock chip. Previous owner has touched it up, keep it looking good. And you can see the reflection coming off the sign on the wall. So I mean, the paint has a nice luster to it. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirms miles. You can check out the still pictures. See, like I said, look at the underside of this car. Extremely clean. Engine bay, interior. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the original polished aluminum wheels. Michelin radials. Look up and down the passenger side of the car. Pretty much free of sort of nicks or scratches. And you gotta remember this car is already 16 years old. Not many miles put on it each year though, with just a little over 31,000. I want to let you know, side glass windows are tinted, so check with any of your state or local laws as far as the darkness of the tint goes. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Center exhaust outlet in the rear. Now, I have the roof panel taken off and it is stored in the rear. You can see there's a Corvette, I guess security cover if you will, privacy cover so they can't see what is in the actual trunk through the glass, and it'll also keep the sun from fading the carpet back there. There's also a car cover and a duffel bag that will be included in the sale and will go with this car when it is shipped. So also a car cover included in there, and you'll see that in the still pictures. I have the trunk cargo area pictured up in the still pictures. Once again, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side, and again, see a nice reflection in the paint. Again, not full of nicks or scratches. Now, as far as some of the options on the interior, of course, heated seats in this one, dual climate control, AM/FM CD player, heads-up display, your memory seating, of course, your power windows, power locks, memory seating, tilt, cruise, driver's information center. So extremely loaded version of the C6 Corvette. Also be a picture of the RPO tag so you can take a look at all the options. Alright, let's go ahead, take a look at the interior of this car. Power driver's seat. And you can see as far as the bolster, lots of times you see them wore here, nice shape. Seating area, also very nice shape on this one. Free of rips, tears, much of any wear at all. There's that duffel bag with the car cover I mentioned. And also the privacy cover back there, as well as the removable roof panel underneath it. Alright, let's go ahead and fire this up. Check out the exact miles. We'll check out that engine bay also. Alright. All gauges working, no warning indicator lights or anything like that on, just a seatbelt one since I don't have that on. And this down here is the daytime running lamps, 31,111. Actual miles, and again, clean Carfax, that confirms it. There's your heads-up display where you can see the readout. Front windshield, take a look at the Dash, not sun-baked, checked, anything like that. Also good shape. Dual climate control, heated seat switches. And again, that automatic with overdrive paired up with the 6-liter LS2. No crazy aftermarket exhaust, anything like that. Just nice sounding, the way you'd expect an 05 Vet to sound. All right, let's see. I'm going to pause this a second. Be a little bit easier to pop the hood. I want to at least show you the engine bay. Check that out too.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, take a look at the hood liner. Tell this car's probably not been driven in much for inclement weather at all. No stains, anything on that hood liner. Always a good sign. Here's that engine bay. LS2. 6-liter, 400 horse, power steering, power brakes. AC does blow cold. Flip around to the other side so you can see that also. Check out the working headlights. Don't have to worry about the flip up ones on this body style. Whole engine compartment looking clean. Looking good, smooth runner. A lot of fun-filled miles left in this one with only a little over 31,000 on it. Look at that reflection off that paint. There you go, 2005 C6 Corvette, clean Carfax, black on black. Nice looking coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. You call or email.